Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unveiling my new model airport. It is my origin airport. If you guys don't know me, I'm from India. So it is an airport from India and I hope that you guys enjoy. So first I'm going to be giving some information about the airport. The name is Coimbatore International Airport, and I also plan on doing an airport in the United States, as I explained more as I actually showed the airport. Anyways, if you're really excited, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and also turning on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So yes, without further ado, let us get started. And here it is. This is the airport I've been working on for some time. The name of it is Coimbatore International Airport, as you can see right here. Airports Authority of India. Now I'm using just these two Gemini Jets models because I just needed them for props. I don't have any Indian carriers. I actually pre-ordered one from just recently. So yeah, this is my airport. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some information on how I made this airport, and I'm also going to talk about like the history of this airport, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know where this airport is, how it came to be. It's an airport in India. Alright, so now on to the information part. Coimbatore International Airport is the airport that serves Coimbatore, India, located in the southern inland of India. This is the second largest airport in the state for terminal area, runway length, aircraft movement, passenger traffic, and cargo after Chennai International Airport. The airport is served by 5 Indian and 3 foreign airlines, providing direct connectivity to 12 domestic and 3 international destinations. Coimbatore Airport first started operations in the 1940s as a civil aerodrome, with Indian Airlines operating Fokker F-27s, McDonnell Douglas DC-3s, and Hawker Siddeley's Avro 748 aircraft. In its early days, services were mainly to Chennai and Mumbai. Later, services to Kochi and Bangalore were added. In the early 1980s, the airport was closed down for runway expansion to accommodate modern jets like the Boeing 737 and the Airbus A320. Temporarily, airlines were using the nearby Sulur Air Base for Coimbatore flights. In 1987, after completion of the runway expansion and a new terminal, the airport resumed services. In 1995, Indian Airlines started international services to Sharjah, and in 2007, operations were started to the international destinations of Colombo and Singapore that are currently on Sri Lankan Airlines and Silk Air. The airport has one runway that's about 9,760 feet in length, extended from 8,500 feet to accommodate larger aircraft. In 2010, new domestic and international divisions were added to the already existing common terminal. The airport has a parking management system with a capacity of nearly 300 cars. There are 2 hangars at the airport, one providing housing for the planes of Coimbatore Flying Club, and the other provides shelter for private airlines. Future expansion includes extension of the runway to 12,500 feet that can accommodate larger aircraft like the Boeing 787, and construction of a parallel taxiway to the runway to minimize runway occupancy and turnaround time of aircraft. The most prominent airline at the airport right now is Indigo Airlines, and there are 4 airlines, which are Air India Express, Air Arabia, Sri Lankan, and Silk Air, who fly international destinations. As for Singapore, as of 2019, Scoot Air will go in for Silk Air and is connecting 3 destinations in the Indian area, including Coimbatore, Trivandrum, and Visakhapatnam being all of them. Alright, and here we are again, back in. So, hope you guys learned something from what I taught you just recently. So yeah, anyways, like I said, this airport's about 90% complete. So number 1, I haven't made like the jetways. There's only like 4 jetways. These 2 are just like hard stands. GSEs I'm gonna make out of paper, and also I have to make the control tower, which is gonna be right here. So this is supposed to be like a cargo building with like a cargo stand right here. I don't know any cargo airlines that fly here. These are ATR stands. This is gate 1, gate 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's gonna be 7, 8, 9, and that one's just gonna be like a cargo stand. All right. So comparing this to the Google Earth picture picture or Google Maps picture, depending on what you use, I think it came out pretty well. And here I used the taxiways. Now I know these grass colors, they're just, you know, totally off. But like I just got them from like the foils, except this green. I actually use green printer paper. So yeah, alright, I'm gonna see how I build it. So as you can see, this is the grass. I used this out of I made this out of printer paper, and I just like, you know, cut it to fill the white space. Now this whole thing, I made it out of foam board. Okay, now this is a foil. I got this from Dima foils, or I've used Dima foils and Scandinavian MD90 foils because those two are really good. So anyways, this is from Dima foils. This is like grass area right here. Now in real life, you would use this area to like store GSEs, like ground equipment. Anyways, I got this. I got like all the taxiways and gates. I got all of them from Scandinavian MD90 foils. So like these two, these are like you know, regular gates. The biggest aircraft, don't quote me, but I think it's a 737-900ER. That's probably the biggest aircraft that's flown here. The runway's about 9,000 feet. I didn't model it here because I mean, that would cover too much space to fill out a 1 to 400 kilo airport. So this is again the taxiways. This entire taxiway I made out of SAS MD90 foils. Right here, this is also from Scandinavian MD90 foils, and these are like 2 sheets of green printer paper. Anyways, as for the terminal building, as you can see, I made it out of styrofoam. Styrofoam, that's something I had, so I decided to make use of what I had. And since paper doesn't glue to the styrofoam, I actually use these sort of push pins that would actually, you know, stick it back together. It's a little bit like, I mean, you could see it, but like it's just better than just having a plain styrofoam as your terminal building. And as for this one, I got this also from Scandinavian MD90 foils. And as for this one, you really can't find that anywhere. So what I did was from one of my videos, I actually cropped into that and then, you know, just edited on Photoshop app and then took a print out of it. So that's what it looks like. Now as for the screen marks, this is all from Homer's glue. That gets so annoying, honestly. But for here, I use like some sort of different glue, and it doesn't show up that sort of residue like this one. But that gets pretty annoying. I also use tape to cover some of the areas, like this grass. Anyways, this is the cargo terminal. I didn't know like what else I could use for the cargo terminal, so I just used this, and I also made this out of styrofoam as well. So yeah, I hope you guys excited for this next airport. Yeah, this airport, and I'm also planning on making another airport. This airport, I promise you guys, it's gonna be in the United States. I'm still thinking of which airport I should do. I'm thinking of doing either a fictional or like a miniature Detroit, a miniature Orlando, or maybe even like a smaller medium range airport like let's say Jacksonville, Windsor Locks, Providence, something like that. But like, I'm still not sure. So as for this airport updates, they're gonna start coming out by most likely like November or December, because I still have to, you know, save up for some more Indian models. I actually pre-ordered the Indigo A321neo from JC Wings. I know Indigo A321 neos, they don't fly here, but like there's Indigo is like a very prominent airline here in Coimbatore, like as I mentioned in the informative part. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it would make my day if you guys would subscribe to my channel. I want to try and reach 300 subscribers very soon, most likely by my birthday or the end of the year. So yeah, that would be amazing if we would do that. Yeah, again, I'm sorry that I haven't been able to upload because of school. I've had so much homework. I've usually stood up pretty late. So yeah, that is it for this airport unveiling. I wanted to do this because, well, I didn't want to, you know, just slap you guys with an airport update without like mentioning anything about the airport. yeah, I'm just gonna give one more quick view of the airport. And yeah, that is it. And just use this as a prop. So yeah, these won't be in airport updates unless I have to really substitute something. But like, I'm just gonna try and save up for some Indian models that can make this airport more like realistic. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Most likely it's gonna be the Columbus to St. Louis trip report. So as of right now, I've had a lot of issues with my microphone. Like the voiceover doesn't come out pretty good, so most likely it'll be either delayed or it will have captions. But anyways, too much talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enough chit chat. I will see you guys in my next video.